welcome to another episode of Soul Fitness TV, where we share tips on how you can live your best life. My name is Whitney, and this is my amazing husband, Jose.
Dímelo, pana!
So today we're so excited to share with you one of our favorite things, Bulletproof coffee.
Un café saludable para ti.
So we're going to share with you the simple ingredients on how you can make Bulletproof coffee. We're going to share the benefits of Bulletproof coffee for your health. And then finally, we're going to share with you how you can make the simple switch to Bulletproof coffee for your morning routine.
Exactamente, este es un café que te va a dar concentración el día entero. Te va a mantener concentrado, te va a dar energía y te vas a ayudar a perder peso también.
So it's very simple. 3 ingredients. Ingredient number 1 is black coffee. Ingredient number 2 is grass-fed butter.
Exacto.
And ingredient number 3 is MCT oil.
Exactamente, café, mantequilla y MCT, el aceite MCT.
So it's very simple, 3 ingredients, that's all you need. There's a lot of different brands out there when it comes to both coffee, to grass-fed butter, and to MCT oil. You can start with whatever you have on hand and then move to ingredients and different brands that you like.
Exactamente.
So first we take the coffee. So depending on how much of a ratio you want, you can use anywhere between 8 to 12 ounces of black coffee. We like to use organic beans so that we don't get that extra chemicals in there.
Right.
And then next is 1 to 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. So we really like the Kerrygold brand Irish butter. This is from grass-fed cows, so it's better for you than the normal butter.
Mantequilla sin sal, que no tenga sal, y te recomendamos esa mantequilla.
Use my fingers. And then the third and final ingredient is MCT oil. Now you gotta be careful with MCT oil,
Yes.
because it can cause a little digestive discomfort if you start with too much.
Exactamente, cógelo suave con ese aceite, porque si tú le echas mucho, te puede poner directo y en vivo, tú sabes.
So you can start with anywhere from 1 teaspoon, that's right, 1 teaspoon, all the way up to 2 tablespoons as you get comfortable.
Exactamente.
So we'll put that in there. And the brand that we really enjoy when it comes to MCT oil is the Terra Formulations MCT oil. And we're so excited to partner with them. They're offering all of our subscribers and our followers 20% off their order of Terra formulas. We'll include in the description below the discount code. It's going to be 20 Jose MC8, the number 8T. But we'll include that in the description below.
Exactamente. Te vamos a dar un descuento si compras esta marca de aceite que va a estar en la pantalla abajo.
So another thing that you can add to your coffee if you like is cinnamon. So I like to add cinnamon to my coffee. It's a great way to regulate your blood sugar levels, but some people don't like it.
Exactamente. Te da un buen sabor.
So we've got inside here our coffee, our MCT oil, and our grass-fed butter. We're just going to put on the little cap.
Tienes que batirlo para que funcione bien. Si no lo bate con una batidora, no va a funcionar muy bien. So, siempre bátelo.
Yeah, you always have to mix it. If you try to mix it with a fork, it's not going to combine, it's not going to get frothy.
Exactamente.
So let's turn it on. Look at that. All right, look at this. So 3 simple ingredients: coffee, grass-fed butter, MCT oil.
Exactamente.
One for you.
Thank you, baby.
Me. So as we like to say to our friends and to our clients, we want you to be strong inside and out, living your best life and starting it the right way.
Fuerte por dentro y por fuera. Ya sabes.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below and share it with your friends so that you can be on the pathway to healthier living.
All right.